Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how to put a password on your apps. So in the previous video, I shown you how to keep this Google News widget on home screen. If you didn't watch that, I'll drop the link in the description. You can watch it. Yeah, I show you an example. I already kept a password for Instagram. See here, when I click on Instagram, it is asking for the password or the fingerprint. So when I click on Instagram won't open until and unless I give a password or my fingerprint access. So how you can keep that? For to do that, there is no need of any third party app to install or nothing like that, but directly we have an option right on your mobile. So this is on my Android mobile and my OS version is Android 13. So if you don't have this sort of option on your mobile, that means you have lower version of Android. See, my Android version is Android 13. Maybe for Android 12 and above, this option will be available. So I'll show you how you keep the setting for this. Click on Android phone settings, and under settings, just scroll down. You will find an option called privacy. Under password and security, there is an option called privacy. You need to tap on that, and here you will find two options. One is permissions and another is privacy. You need to click on privacy again, and here you will find app lock, which is directly given by the phone software system. I didn't install any third party app, and this is by directly by the phone manufacturer, and this is available on Android 13 version. You need to tap on this. Once you tap on this, it will ask you to set a password as a lock. So it will ask you a 6 digit password. You need to enter that password of your choice. Once you enter that password, you will see this interface. Okay, all that you need to do is just enable this option. Now I have set a password lock for Chrome, and I have set a password lock for Drive. So let's check it. Now when I open Chrome or this Google Drive, it will ask me to enter the password or I should give my fingerprint. When I tap on Chrome, it won't get directly open until and unless I give whether fingerprint or password. This is the way you can put a password to any app on your mobile. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.